Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Dachi using A4 paper. This fun and easy paper craft requires just 2 sheets of paper, ideally in contrasting colors, and no other tools. We will transform these flat sheets into a robust, square-shaped paper tile, perfect for a classic game or just for display. Let's gather our materials and begin this creative journey together. First, take one A4 sheet and fold it in half lengthwise, then open it up again. This creates a central guide crease. Next, fold both of the long edges inward, aligning them perfectly with that center crease. You should now have a long, narrow strip. Repeat these exact same steps with your second piece of A4 paper, so you have 2 identical folded strips ready for the next stage. Now, let's shape our strips. Take one folded strip and fold one end diagonally, creating a 45-degree angle. Then, fold the other end diagonally in the opposite direction. This will form a distinct parallelogram shape. Make sure your folds are crisp and precise, as this forms the foundation of your Dachi. Repeat this process for your second paper strip. For the final step, place your 2 folded parallelograms on top of each other, forming a cross. Now, fold the top flap down, then the left flap over, and the bottom flap up. Finally, carefully tuck the last flap, the one on the right, into the small pocket created by the very first flap. Press all the folds firmly to secure your Dachi. You've successfully made your paper Dachi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.